Welcome back, guys. Automotive Inc. Today I want to just talk about something that happened on the 2007 Avalanche. So everything worked on the car, and then one day I look over and the mirror turn signal stopped working. So you automatically might want to check the fuses, see if something happened. However, if all the other functions of the mirror still work, more than likely, just from age or whatever, I mean, it could have gotten something in there and cracked a wire, broke it or whatever. But usually that's not the case. Usually the connector itself is just worn and comes a little bit loose. Let's take a look. So this side, the passenger side, has a light blue wire, and what you can do is you can just get a simple coat hanger or a long skinny little tool and stick it in there and push down on this connector, and if it all of a sudden starts working, you found your issue. So this is just worn out over time. The little clip right here doesn't stay as tight as it should. So what I went ahead and did is just clean the connectors real quick, put some dielectric grease on there, and then so that way if water gets in there it can't short out. And then I just had a baby zip tie, and all I did was take out the little bit of slack that can get from driving down the road. And more than likely, if you stick something in there and it comes on, it'll probably stay on for 100 200 miles till you hit enough bumps, and then it's going to just wiggle itself loose again. If all the other functions loose, like, you'll be able to grab this mirror, you don't have to pull it all the way apart. You'll be able to get a coat hanger and just hook it underneath the back side of this and pull it out the face of the mirror itself. Then once you zip tie it, clean it up, and it's working, then you can just pull this mirror back or forward, I guess, again, and shove that back in there, and you're golden. Now, I know that there's a ton of people out there with this year of Yukon, Tahoe, Silverado, Sierra, whatever. It's probably going to be similar even on one of the big trucks. So if you have the big tow mirrors and that shorted out, but the mirror still works, i.e. all the functions, including the heat or whatnot, before you spend $200-300 on that, go down to the dry cleaner and ask for one metal hanger. Or if you see a uniform place where people just throw their metal hangers on a rack and they recycle them, grab one, take it home, cut it up, because that's a firm enough wire that you'll be able to reach into something and hook it and pull it out. Or if you have some other clever tool, use that. Just don't drag on the wires. Just try and grab the connector and pull it out. Again, it just kind of sits in there. And try that first before you do it. You can use a test light and try and get a ground over there and stick in there, but there's not a lot of pressure on the back of it, so you're just going to kind of keep pushing the wire down in the mirror. So you might still need a hanger just to grab the back of the connector and then also test it. So hopefully that helps you guys address that and save you some money. As always, guys, appreciate you guys being here. We're going to catch you on the next one.